How to find someone on Instagram by picture. If you have a photo of someone and you want to find their Instagram account, there is no direct way to search on Instagram by image. However, you can try using a reverse image search. To do this, open the Google app on your iPhone or Android. Once you are on Google, tap the camera icon in the search bar. This will open Google Lens, where you can upload an image for a reverse search. Select the photo you want to use. If you're trying to find a specific person, you can crop the image to focus on their face. Google will then search for similar images across the web. If the person has a public Instagram account and their images have been indexed by Google, their profile may appear in the search results. This method works best for well-known individuals like celebrities, influencers, or people with public accounts. If the person has a private account or very few images online, Google may not be able to find any results. If the image search does not work, your other options are to search for the person by name, email address, or phone number directly on Instagram. Unfortunately, there is no guaranteed way to find someone's Instagram profile using only a photo. That's how to find someone on Instagram by picture.